Dear Gordon Ramsay, how's things beating those dolatinous pudding heads over in Chelsea, you blonde, crinkly-faced bastard? You'd never get me in one of those geriatritious barracks, rotting away in my uniform, spending my days shuffling about, muttering to myself, repeating the same memories as I ramble on and on and on about things nobody... Ha! Got you, didn't I, Ramsay? I'm as sharp as a Sikh's beard. Bet you can't even tell anymore being surrounded by men who should have died in the second carnatic. How about you stop wasting your souply talents with veterans with 3 taste buds between them and come over here for a real culinary challenge? I cannot offer you, a well-known Michelin man, any of the comforts you may have become accustomed to in London, but I expect you will be able to shirk any taste for the finer things, manners, or desire for anything other than work and suffering, because you are a Scottish. And even now in France, Alma, where are we now? And even now in Sweden, under constant bombardment day and night from enemy cannon, in near continual darkness, and with our uniforms frozen practically solid, nothing is as bad as a Scottish winter. How's your knowledge of recipes where the main ingredient is horse? I'm sure, having previously chiefed in Paris, you're quite adept, which should be useful in a few months when the horses thaw out. Until then, you'll be able to test your skills with boot leather, candle wax, earwax, pewter, hair, and of course lots and lots of delicious snow. I do understand you may not be able to immediately join us here in Sweden, but it's the artillery officer's birthday soon, and it would be a fine tasting to the men if you would cater for the occasion. You would need to bring your own cake. I hope everything is all right with you, Ramsay, and you're still enjoying shouting at other people's subordinates. Don't do that over here, though, because we have a strict hierarchy that you're not a part of, and they'll probably kill you. Yours expecting you to at least come for the birthday, but also certainly do the right thing and stay for the campaign, Lieutenant Colonel Anonymous Bilgewater.